Hiya everyone, so today I have got the Profusion Advent Calendar to unbox for you guys. This is currently available at Boots and this costs £30 and it is a 25-day Advent Calendar which works out at, I've got it written down here, I've got it on my calculator, sorry, £1.20 a day basically, so this better be good. Yeah, and I've saved, I end up using my Boots points to buy this Advent Calendar and this Advent Calendar, so it was like a bonus. So if you haven't signed up for the Boots Advantage Club card thing, whatever it is, Advantage card, that's it, isn't it? It's definitely worth doing because I got these two with my points, and on Superdrug I did with the last one as well, which is a bonus. Save my points, oh yeah. Yeah, so this costs £30 and we're gonna unbox it in anyways. I feel like, and it pulls out like this and it is like a little, two little sheets. Okay, so we are just going to unbox it anyways. So we want day number 1, which is up here. Oh, it's all cardboard, so it's all recyclable. We've got the Profusion matte lip liner. I feel like I've seen this before, but I don't know. But this is what it looks like here. Very nice, can't complain. Full size and £1.20. I don't know how much are lip liners, I very rarely buy them. So in day number 2, which is here, right, this looks so familiar. I'm gonna go back and look at my last year's Profusion unboxing, but this is the matte blusher. It doesn't have a shade, it looks very pretty though. Yeah, I don't think I kept the blusher from last year's. I feel like that went in my Advent Calendar giveaway. Yeah, but that looks very familiar. It looks very much like NARS Orgasm. It's like a pink with tiny flecks of shimmer through. It's very pretty and it's a full size. I mean, that in £1.20, you cannot go wrong. So that's day number 2. We went to day number 3, which is here. Oh, this looks nice. We have got a sparkling lip topper. How pretty is that? Just like a sparkly lip gloss. I am on the rule of I'm not allowed any more lip glosses till I use them up. Oh, I love the little the spout thing. That looks really nice. Doesn't really have a scent. Oh, so pretty, yeah, really nice. I mean, we're having like some good products every day. So in day number 4, I'm guessing a brush because it's really long. I was right. And we have got a gold shade, as a gold like buffing brush. This looks really nice quality, really pretty. I'm very happy with that. That's day number 4. Day number 5, I'm loving the packaging on this calendar. We definitely got this brush in the previous years. This brush I would not say is worth £1.20. No hairs are coming out, but I just don't think I would pay £1.20 for a brush like that. Yeah, so that was like our first day that I feel like wasn't worth £1.20. So we want day number 6, which is this one here. Okay, I've got the tiniest lash glue. I'm not so happy with that, to be honest. We've gone to day number 7, which is this one here. We have got a Lash Out Loud. I think this is a mascara. It looks like it could be a mascara. Let's have a look. Oh, it is. This is a little dinky mascara. Oh, that's cute. I don't feel like we got that last year, so I'm quite happy with that. We want day number 8, which is this one here. Unboxing these calendars are making me want to watch Christmas movies. We have got a Profusion matte lipstick and it is in like a nudie shade there. Really nice. I have got a million colours like this. Yeah, so that says that this is like a popular colour, because if I've got that colour like a million times, that means it's a colour that I wear, you know. So really nice. I'm just trying to be cautious. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm trying to be cautious on what I keep. and what I don't keep. So that was day number 8. We want day number 9, which is here. We have got a squeezy tube juicy lip tint. This looks really nice. I don't really like packaging on lip glosses and things like this, but I think this is very aesthetic. It's giving me like Lancome juicy tube thing vibes, like what Paris Hilton used to have. That was day number 9. We went day number 10, which is here. This is definitely the same highlight. I remember this because I kept the highlight and it was too dark for me, and this looks exactly the same as last year's. Yeah, and it was too dark for me. Beautiful it was, but yeah, it was too dark for me. That is the shimmer highlight, full size, and these are vegan and cruelty free, by the way, if you just didn't know. But yeah, beautiful. Like, I mean, actually stunning. But it looks exactly like last year's, which was too dark for me. That was day number 10. We want day number 11, which is here. What have we got here? We have got the Profusion Cosmetic. I don't know. It's like in a tube like this. Oh, a liquid eyeliner. And that is what it looks like. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Nice tip on that. And then we want day number 12, which is this one here. We have got another brush. This is a little angled brush. This is what it looks like there. Looks quite nice. A little bit thicker than my preference, because I would probably use it for liner on my brows, which is probably what everyone would use it for, but you know. Yeah. So that was the first half of the calendar all open. So we're on to this half now. So we want day number 13, which is here. I will say this one is trashing my natural nails. I haven't got fake nails on. We definitely got this in last year's. This is the gold sparkling eyeliner. Really nice. I think I've still got that in the drawer, to be honest. Day number 14. I feel like that might be bigger though. I feel like I'm having the deja vu day when I'm opening these calendars. So we have got the Profusion pigment, and it doesn't have a shade name or anything like that. This is what it looks like. Very pretty. And this is what it looks like. How stunning is that? That is really pretty, like really pretty. So that was 14. We went to day number 15, which is here. Whoop! We have got a red lipstick, and it's got a little chunk missing because it fell out. This is what it looks like here. This says it's a matte lipstick. I don't think that looks matte. Let's swatch it because I feel like they're lying. Yeah, that is not matte. That is not matte. I'm sorry, but that is not matte. I love a matte red lip, but that ain't no matte red lip. That was not matte. That is not matte. Right, that was 15. We want day number 16. And I cannot say 16. Oh, it's there. It's because it's written in letters and in a number. Ooh, we have got a little hair thing. I love stuff like this. I honestly, lots of people are like, I don't understand you. You like the tatty products in advent calendars. And I know I do. I know I do. But it's just who I am. So, I mean, like, I love the shade of this. It very reminds me of my mum. Probably because she has a coat this colour. But, I mean, gotta put it on. You know, gotta put it on. Oh. Can you hear my kitten crying? I've had to lock her out of the room because she's going actually nuts, like really naughty. And probably ripping my carpet now, to be honest. But yeah, that was day number 16. So we want day, no, if I'm in a different place, I let her in. She was crying too much. I felt sorry for her. She is here. Yeah, she is. We wanted day number 17, which is this one here. No. Day number 17 is a glitter adhesive. I mean, what is this size? What is this size of a product? I just don't get it. Yeah. I mean, No, thank you. We're on number 18. If you're going to give us something small and dinky, make it cute, so we can forgive you. We have got the sparkling lip topper, and this is in the most craziest shade ever. It's like oil slick. I love it. Don't think I would wear it on my lips though, but stunning. Right, we want day number 19. We have got, oh, this is pretty. This is this sparkling eye topper. I really like this. This is stunning. It looks like it's been leaking out. Let's have a look at you. This is something that I use something like this all the time. It's from Collection, the one I normally use, but oh my god, this is so pretty. Can you see it? My lights are probably causing a problem. That's why I try not to film with lights. See, it always causes a problem. Yeah, that is like going to be getting used so much. I've got something similar on my eyes right now, like from Ted Baker. Yeah, I really like that. And it's actually what it is. It's not saying it's matte when it's not. What day were we? Was that 19? We want 20, which is this one here. Oh, we've got some lash colours. Really pretty, really nice. Yeah, I like that day. Good day. We want day number 21. Oh my god, this is the most prettiest sponge ever. It's an ombre sponge. I'm so giving this to my niece. I think she'll appreciate this so much. Look at this sponge. It's ombre. I mean, this sponge is ombre. I love that. I love that. Yes. Favourite day so far, the ombre sponge. So that was day number 21. We had day number 22. These were definitely in the previous years. I'm going to go and watch them, and I'll put something on the screen if I've watched them, you know, now. But this is the Profusion Champagne Glow Drops. I feel like I've seen these before. I feel like I'm having a deja vu night with this advent calendar and the one I've unboxed tonight. Yeah, that was 22. We went day number 23. Okay, we have got fast lashes. No packaging, no logo, just like on a little thing. Goes with the lash glue. Half the month later, I mean, yeah, the lash glue should have been with that, and we should have had an extra product. Not gonna lie, even at £1.20 a day. And if I'm being harsh, I'm being harsh. But yeah, that's the way I feel. We want day number 24. We have got, oh, this is pretty. A very pretty, like, pale pink. I feel like it's very spring. So if you're unboxing this through December, you've got a nice nail polish to look forward to for the spring season. So I do like that. Really pretty. Yeah, I think that's a good day. I like that day. That was 24. Went day number 25. Oh my god. The final day is beautiful. Like, this is the final day. How pretty is that? But I am having major deja vu vibes. And you know what? This is last year's. I've got last year's here because someone did inbox me on Instagram and says, the Profusion Advent Calendar has got the same eyeshadow palette. And I was like, it's probably just similar. Oh my god, no. I feel like I'm going nuts today. Oh, I was like, have I touched this brand new palette? But this is this year's. I'm trying not to touch it because obviously it'll go like maybe in my Advent Calendar giveaway or something. I'll do something with it. But this is like previous years. I'm sorry, but what? Like, I'll swatch this for you, for anyone like who hasn't like got last year's. That makes me think that lipstick and that is definitely the same. So I'm going to swatch this in anyways for you because this is a really nice palette. I'm not the biggest warm toned like eyeshadow wearer. I'm a cool toned girl, but this is a really nice eyeshadow palette, and it's definitely a nice like everyday eyeshadow palette, and then you can jazz it up for a night. So I'm not saying that it's a bad palette or anything like that, but I already own it. Yeah, and that is it there. So that one looks like, I mean, this is a year old, this palette, the one I'm swatching now, obviously, and it's been used. But yeah, that is it there. And that is basic, it's the same. That is this eyeshadow palette from this lovely advent calendar. So that is the Profusion 2023/2022 advent calendar. Oh my god, honestly, I don't know which one's going up, but if you've seen my other advent calendar unboxing, you'll kind of know where I'm coming from. I feel like the blusher, now that I've compared the eyeshadow palette and that, I feel like the lipsticks, the blusher and the highlighter are definitely all from the previous year, in my opinion, or they've like remade them for this year. So if you've had last year's advent calendar, I definitely think you don't need this year's and keep your money for something different, like the number 17 one that Boots has got go on. It's not available yet. Once you guys see it come available, message me so I can buy it straight away, because that is new, you know. And I feel like they could have done so much better. Like I said in my other advent calendar boxing that I unboxed, I feel like whatever they done for this year's advent calendars, Profusion, they need to bring back previous years and sack this year's. Overall, do I think this advent calendar is worth £30? I definitely do. It's £1.20 a day. You're getting a full-size eyeshadow, a full-size highlight, a full-size blusher, two full-size lipstick. I feel like this is full-size, these glowy drop things, the lip liner. I mean, you guys know I love this. The sponge is stunning. So I'm looking at these products and I feel like I've getting my money's worth. But the only problem is I got last year's calendar. So because of that, I'm not feeling like I got my money's worth. So I'm like, it's a 2 point. Definitely, it's just getting 2 points. 2 points out of 5 in my opinion. Yeah, it's just a bit meh, because I've had the previous year. But if I hadn't had the previous year, I would have been like over the moon and absolutely buzzing with this. So yeah, that's kind of like my 2 pence on it. I feel like it's a really good one. You've got a teenager or something like that and you haven't bought them a calendar, this is definitely one I think that they would like. But if you've had the previous years, then I think skip this one. That's my opinion. Yeah, that is my 2 pence. So what do you guys think of this advent calendar? I'll link it down below for using anyways. I don't feel like it's a bad one, like I say, but if you've had previous years, you don't need this one. Save your pennies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos, I do lots of advent calendar unboxings, mystery box unboxings, beauty box unboxings, with a little bit of spreading of lots of other things. And I would love if you subscribe down below. I do lots of giveaways through the month of December, November and October for the Christmas season. And yeah, I would love if you subscribed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.